Hi everybody, this is Mr. Palomera. How are y'all doing? I'm going to take a quick moment to just show you all a quick how-to on how to find the city structures of your local city governments. It's a very simple search, but I figured this might help some of y'all. So today I'm going to start with just City of Tucson. Now it's important that when you look up your city that obviously you know how to spell it right. Like, it'll tell you options here, but you don't want to click on the options, just use them as guides. Type in city of and then put in the name of your city, and then you're also gonna type in local government structure. So that should work if you do that. If you don't do that, you could also just type in city of Tucson, and that alone will be good enough for you to be able to see it. You'll see on the website, but either way, if you do the way I did it, City of Tucson local government structure, it should pop up local government official website. You'll go on here. Now every city is different, so you're not going to be able to find the same thing, but it'll be similar. Where you see here on the government page, you'll see a mayor council, so you can look at the mayor page and who's on the city council. So that tells you that this is a mayor, a city council, and a city manager. So if you want specifically where to know what it is, right down here under local government participation, there it is under this paragraph. The city of Tucson has a council manager form of government with policies set by the mayor and council, blah 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 blah. So hopefully that helps. But again, every city is different. Like if you see city of Phoenix, it's going to look much more different. I'm just gonna go on the City of Phoenix website so you can just see it there. From here, we're going to go to menu. Always look for the menu. Then we're going to go to city government. So it's pretty straightforward. You got to use your common sense. You got to really think about it. And from here, this is where I'm gonna have trouble. You're going to find. Adios, tía. Okay, sounds good. Anyways, well, we are going to look at the city departments. This will tell us where we might be able to find the government. And like I said, see, this one's a little bit different because it's the city of Phoenix, so they're a little bit struggling. So I would just go under like mayor's office. So you're probably gonna have to do a little bit of searching and all that. And if it doesn't work out, then again try this. Let's try this. City of Phoenix government structure. And again, the more specific you can get in your Google search, the better results you're gonna get. See, look at that. Phoenix City Government Branch Organization. So here's a little infograph as to how that works, and it even gives you a little paragraph. And if you're like, where is this information coming from? Well, it's coming from the same exact website I was just on. See how the city works, City of Phoenix Government. So after that, make sure that you just, I put mine all on here on a Google Doc, just so that way I can have it. You want to do the same thing on a document, whether that's a Microsoft Word document or Google document that you share with myself, Espinoza, or Mr. Moreno. You want to identify the kind of system they have. So for Phoenix, let me scroll down. Here you go, Council Manager Plan, which is according to, here you go, Council Manager Plan. And then just identify, talk about who's in these positions, what they do, and all that. And I mean, that's pretty much it. So I hope that helps. If you have any further questions, just let us know. And yeah, have a great rest of your time hunting for these city structures. I guarantee you it's very exciting. And if you watch Parks and Rec, then you will love this. All right, peace out.